Okay, today we have a customer dropped this off at the office yesterday. I wasn't able to get to it. I was doing jobs out in the field. This is going to be a 2003 BMW 745Li. They dropped this key off to be programmed into the CAS module, and from the looks of this device, it might be a 50-50 chance it'll be done. I'm seeing some type of moisture or water damage or something, but we'll see how it works out. I'll come back in a little bit with this key programmed, if this one can be programmed. So that's about it. We're back at that BMW module, that 745i, the CAS module. Right now this key is programmed to this unit. Basically on this car, you just stick the key in here, plug it in, push the button, it'll start up. As far as if you have comfort access functionality, that will not work. You would have to plug this into the dash. So if you have comfort access, it's not going to work. The aftermarket keys won't be able to do comfort access. Let me see. That's the key data from that key there that he supplied, and this key is now programmed as key number 2. So that's it. You need our help, give us a call. We're in Georgia. If you're looking for tech support, we can't provide that. You might want to call the dealer. But if you need our help as far as making lost keys or making spare keys, feel free to go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com for more information. Thank you.